Boba haike parliament samung ang tongkha abo sungmungya sungmung angka Bharat hakotni bagai koksana hunke busak jorate shebre jangnai srang salo buto keplai angnai speaker Om Birla no lamsogmwng yaphana thangai abo haike no kok samani nukjaka cabinet botoni adong Rahul Gandhi no srang salo Lok Sabha ni speaker angai chonghor jaka NDA ni batani Om Birla aboni logi pandabo phaiye lamsogmwng yapharmani nukjaka Mantri Bokrok Narendra Modi Kiran Rijiju tei Rahul Gandhi Narendra Modi kok narikmani ulono kok sanani chengkha Rahul Gandhi saka hapangni bagai political fund tongo phiaba kebungnai rokbo Bharatni lukurokno naikelo tei taklaibo agini bisini kahai tebo gobang hakotoni lukurokni bagai samung khlaika sung kebungnai botolbo naikelo nini samungo thansa angai basawi samung khlainani kebungnai rok o rumo kok sanani rithun abo simi naikol mungo hwnei saka Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker Sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker Sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House. I am confident that you will allow us to represent our voice, allow us to speak, allow us to represent the voice of the people of India. Speaker Sir, the question is not how efficiently the House is run. The question is how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this House. So the idea, Speaker Sir, that you can run the House efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea. And this election has shown that the people of India expect the opposition to defend the Constitution, the Samvidhan of this country. And we are confident that by allowing the opposition to speak, by allowing us to represent the people of India, you will do your duty of defending the Constitution of India. I'd like to once again congratulate you, Speaker Sir, and also all the members of the House who have won their election.
Bureau Report, Kok Khorang.